2, 1, go.
Again, this is our only quarterfinal tiebreaker match here on Carson. Killer Bees right away. They're looking to do what they do best, putting up tons of fuel. Red Alliance Airship has one gear ready to go in that first slot. That means 60 points for the Red Alliance, plus whatever Killer Bees picked up. That's over 100 points already for your Red Alliance as we head into teleop. Blue Alliance robots, they start working hard. They've got some ground to cover, but they are eager to do so. Titanium Tigers in blue bumpers, they are working with their pilot up in the airship, dropping off a gear for them. Gears come on up. The second rotor turning very shortly for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance already has their second rotor going, working on their third. Red Alliance slight advantage here. About 40 points separate these teams, but with scores over 500 already in quarterfinals, there is plenty of room for the Blue Alliance to catch up. Minute and a half remains in the match. Lots of collisions all over the field. Red Alliance working on their third rotor now. Pilot from Killer Bees placing gears up on that third gear train. Each rotor is going to be worth 40 points. We've got a big collision underneath the Blue Alliance airship. Raider Robotics in red, they look to play some defense against the Blue Alliance, and a gear falls off a peg underneath the Blue Alliance airship. Titanium Tigers in blue, they bring up another gear to their pilot. Third rotor turning for the Blue Alliance. They're going to need what looks like 5 more for their fourth. Red Alliance is 1 step ahead. They need 4 more gears for their fourth rotor. 1 minute remains in the match. Still about 40 points separate these two teams. Raider Robotics in red bumpers, they zoom back down field. Nightcrawler, their partners, dropping off a gear. Killer Bees still hanging out underneath the Red Alliance airship. Tigers look for another gear. We have a collision between 50-24 and Tigers that slows down both of them. Meanwhile, on blue, Livonia Warriors, they have a gear trying to figure out where they can drop it. 30 seconds remain as the ropes come on down. Still 3 rotors turning on both airships. A gear, though, does come up from Raider Robotics. We'll see. It looks like the Red Alliance has 4 rotors, 140 points for your Red Alliance. That boosts them up to over 300 now. More fuel coming on up. Robots are climbing. We see 1 Raider robot in the air. All 3 Red Alliance robots on their way up. 150 points for your Red Alliance. 2832 is up off the ground. We have 2 blue robots. They got 3, 2, 1. Another very exciting quarterfinal match. That was our tiebreaker on Carson. Moving on, your Red Alliance. Your red number 2 Alliance moves on to the semifinals. That is with a score of 472 points. The Blue Alliance scored